9 o'clock at night, and I've decided that tomorrow, because it's Sunday, we're going to have some belly pork. So to get us started, what I'm going to do is overnight in the fridge, I'm going to marinate my belly pork. Now, for my dry rub, we're going to be using some sea salt, star anise, cloves, orange peel, and rosemary. Once it's all chopped up like that, smelling absolutely beautiful, put your pork in a bag and then throw your ingredients in the bag. Simply throwing everything into the bag won't be enough. You need to get your hand in there and give it all a good mix. And it's all mixed up and you've tied your bag in a knot, sling it in the fridge. Okay, the belly pork has been in the fridge all night. It's time to get it out, give it a rinse, get it dry, put it in its pot, cover it in oil, get it in the oven, slow cook it for hours on end. Since pork is already pretty salty, the idea of washing it is just to get off all the salt you put on there earlier. Since oil and water get on not very well, it's very important we pat all of these dry. I've span these over like that. Okay, we can get on with the next section. Okay, take your garlic, your rosemary and your bay leaves and poke them all in between the gaps. Get them in there. Get them in there, good. Then drown in oil. Lovely. The purpose of filling the bowl is I need less oil to completely drown my pork. Wrap it in tin foil, put it in your oven at between 90 and 120 for 2 hours because it's in strips. Check it and see how you're getting along. Okay, my 2 hours are up. Let's have a little check. There we're going. It's expanded a bit. Whoa, that's smelling lovely, but that is not ready. Back in the oven, another hour. Okay, we've been in the oven for absolutely hours, so probably 5 hours now. That smells awesome. So what I'm gonna have to do is take it out and then just let it cool down a little bit. And then I'll drain it of all the oil. Let's have a little look. Oh wow, that smells awesome. Lovely. It's now time to take our confit and we're going to crisp up that lovely crackling. What I'm going to do is take it from here and put it in there, crisp it up and serve it. I'm eating some of this lovely confit of pork. In the background you'll hear baby number 2 crying away. She's in a bouncer. Oh, that's really nice. And we're just taking it out of here. Lying it down in a pan. And then we're going to get all that lovely fat on the top, crisped up and ready to go. Look at that. It's lovely. One more bit.
You like it?
Oh, I love it. It's delicious.